proud to be the top local roofing service around, and we're committed towards having happy and satisfied customers. Isn't it time that you treated your home to some upgrades? Whether you're looking for a new roof or just a repair, we would love to help you. Are you having trouble finding a contractor that is reliable and available to help you out when you need it? Don't trust this job to just anyone. You deserve a roofer who is experienced, skilled, and available to help you right away. We will handle all of your roof repair needs in a quick and professional manner. We take customer satisfaction very seriously and are proud to be one of the top roof repairers.